Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set a preferred line or grid style for handwriting in new notes on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen, and on the home screen tap on settings. In settings, scroll down and tap on notes. Next we go down and tap on lines and grids. Now by default it is set to a blank page. In here you can choose line, so small line, medium line or large line, and you can choose small grid, medium grid or a larger grid. And this is for handwriting. So now if I select a medium grid and tap on the back key, and if I start to use note, and if I create a new note here, you can see by default it will create a small grid, and in here this is a medium grid side, and if I use handwriting I can write within the grid here. And then that's it. So that is how you can set a default. So this is default settings, so that when you create a new note it always uses that same default grid settings. You can also manually change the grid or the line in the note by tapping on this more button at the top, and then tap on lines and grids, and here you can turn it off or you can change the grid style. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.